So let's learn customer pricing procedure field in BP Master. The same field traditionally it is available in ECC also. What exactly it is? Okay. So let's try to check. Let's try to open one BP first. So let's take this customer. Okay. Let's try to choose customer role here. And let's try to go to the change mode. Okay. So what exactly this customer pricing procedure? Okay. So why it is required? So as part of our initial discussion, I would like to tell that this is one of the parameter to determine price in your sales order, specifically the customer what you have entered in the sales order. Okay. The similar way, you have document pricing procedure and you will take the combination of the sales area for price determination. Let me try to help you out on this. Okay. So let's go to the Excel. So how the price will be determined? The one thing is that it is something like sales area. Why sales area? Okay. So your sales org is legal entity. So like, if you'd like to do purchase or sales activities, so sales organization is mandatory, that you know very well. So in sales order also, without sales organization, without sales area, you cannot able to perform. Next one is the distribution channel. And third one is the combination of the product, the classification of the products is your division. Okay. So why specifically sales area? Okay, even ECC also, if you try to extend your customer for particular sales area, okay, the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay, why sales organization? It's a legal entity, so it is registered, and your taxes and your prices and the partners, everything is belongs to your sales organization, and the channel through where you are selling, whether it can be wholesale, whether it can be retail, whether it can be direct sales, whether it can be e-sales, internet sales, how would like to sell, and the kind of product. Okay, that means you are identifying your sales organization, distribution channel, division. Assume if I link, so this, if I would like to perform this business process with this combination, then only I can able to perform my sales process activities. Okay, so it's a common sense, right? So who is selling? Reliance is selling, or else Tata is selling, or else Rambax is selling, or else Unilever is selling, or else, anything. It can be IT company, or it can be goods or service. How you are going to identify? Okay, that is who is actually selling and through which channel you are selling and what you are selling, your product. It is all about your sales area. And when you would like to determine technically, after you are performing your condition technique, you need to take the combination of your sales area plus your customer pricing procedure. Okay, it will decide. So, like, so when you ready with which company, and so who is my customer, wholesaler, retailer, and what kind of product I'm selling. So for determining price, so I need a combination sales area plus customer pricing procedure plus and your document pricing procedure. Why we required? Which document you would like to calculate this tax, whether it is sales order, credit memo, debit memo, export sales order, or else import sales order, or else it is a manual credit memo document type, or else with reference to invoice credit memo document type, or else with reference to sales order document type, or else whether it is in returns, whether it is free of charge, whether it is subsequent free of charge. So your document pricing procedure is going to determine on which document you actually inviting the price. Okay, this much analysis it should be required. So at the time of pricing, in my pricing course, I will give separate explanation how the pricing procedure will be determined. You can try this course, currently holding 2000 plus students, and you can try this course And with full PPT, I have explained the possible scenarios in standard, okay, at advanced level. Okay, so that is a different story. Of course, in my S4 HANA sales course also, you'll get the same thing. So let's come back to the topic. Okay, so what is my sales organization? Okay, what is my distribution channel? Okay, what is my division? Okay, so my product I'm selling, at this particular case, I'm selling tea products. Okay, so this is my product. So customer pricing procedure, when I link my sales area plus customer pricing procedure and document pricing procedure, you can able to define for different scenarios. For example, country wise also you will have a different pricing procedures. It has chance, but it is not advisable to do that. Or else for export and import sales, for a credit memo, a different pricing procedure, your debit memo, different pricing procedure, free of charge, different pricing procedure. If you would like to do that, for the same customer, you will define different document pricing procedures to differentiate. And the assign pricing procedure. Okay. RVWA01. Okay. So when you are calling this pricing procedures to your sales order, so you need to identify what is your document type. OR, FD, or SDF, or else returns. Where exactly? It can be delivery document type, it can be invoice document type also to determine your pricing procedure. Okay, so your pricing procedure is based on condition technique. It is holding the condition types, and condition types calls the your pricing requirements, what are the access sequence it is assigned by search criteria, and the pricing requirements will be captured in the form of your condition tables. Okay, anyhow, so we'll try to see that in pricing there is different story. And if you look at this, okay, so sales area, customer pricing procedure, document pricing procedure, and assign pricing procedure. Let's try to check in our sales order. Okay, before moving ahead. So let's try to show you. These are this is how it is linking. This is the one of the key parameter to link for price determination in the sales order for your customer. Okay, so let's try to go for a sales order. So assume, okay, that's fine. So I have taken this customer. For this customer, if you look at this, okay, so this is the header. You can able to see that whatever the pricing procedure it is determined. Where you can able to check, go to OBKK. Okay, so let me try to check my sales area. Can able to see this? So customer, sales organization, and distribution channel is DI, and this is my division, and document pricing procedure is A. This is customer pricing procedure. Okay. So let's come here one more time. Let me try to show you. Let me try to take, just take this material. So what is my document type? Go to the header. Okay. So DO R1, right? Let's go to VO V8. So if you go inside, you can able to see this. This is document pricing procedure. Okay. Let's go to BP now. So this is the customer we have taken, right? So let's come here, partner functions. Okay. So this is the customer. For this customer, let me try to remove this customer pricing procedure. So of course, this is a mandatory field. That's why it is not allowing. Okay. So anyhow, I don't want to do this. Let's put this one. Let me try to assign. So like in a OVKK, whatever the combination we maintain, I'm taking different one actually. Okay. And this is possible for me. So let me try to write a sales order for this customer. So what it's saying, no pricing procedure could be determined. That means it is not allowing to go ahead. Okay. What I am assigned. So that means if you miss the combination, so customer or document pricing procedure combination with your sales area, you cannot able to determine the price actually. The three I have taken. So let's try to maintain for this combination also for test actually. So let's go to the new entries. So this one, this one, this one. Previously one it is maintained. Now I am taking the three. Oh, no. This is document pricing procedure. This is the same A, and customer pricing procedure. This is three. And let me take this procedure. Let's save it. Okay. Now let's try to create a sales order. So once you try to learn pricing, you will get an idea about it, how it works. So if you don't understand also, no problem. I'll try to help you out. Now the price is determined, right? Okay. So you can able to see this same pricing procedure. Okay. Now let's try to go to, for the time being, okay, I'll try to change the pricing procedure. This, I'm just take this. Oh, this is not there. So I'll take any pricing procedure for that matters. I'm just taking this one. Okay, so that you can better understand this. So I have the combination with one with this and three with this. Okay. So now let's try to do a sales order. So here for 34, one it is got maintained. So now if you look at that header, see the change in pricing procedure is maintained. Let's try to take this one. So now if you look at this header, so this is what it is got maintained. So you got a different pricing procedure. If I remove that, if I maintain different one without key combination, it will not work for you. Okay. So as of now, we're not suppose if it is initial stage for your pricing learning, don't getting into the depth of what you're understanding. As of now, if you would like to maintain prices, just maintain the standard pricing procedure with the combination of all these things. Okay. So, but remember that customer pricing procedure is one of the parameter to determine price for that particular customer. Okay. I think you got it, what I'm trying to explain you. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. So this is my two pricing courses. It has its own depth. This is for 13 hours with 15 lectures, and this is for 18 lectures. If you really want, you can give it a try. And my request is that don't miss this course. Totally around 66 hours with 230 lectures. It will be continuously get updated, and this is for my condition contract and rebate settlement management course. If you really want, you can give it a try. Thank you so much. For S4HANA, there is no point to pay more money. So you can learn like this. Thanks so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day.